How am I looking? Good. Okay. So hello everyone. I'm starting my blog. So it is like 5:30. So maybe it is not a best time to start my blog, but I have to start. Look at the place where I am. So yeah, this is the lake view. How it's looking? It's good, right? Yeah. And this is the place where I am spending most of the time. Uh, Here we just make a YouTube video for our cooking channel, so that's why there is so many mess. So I'm making this video for the YouTube, obviously. So there is two reason. First is I want to try a different language. Like I'm learning seriously. Like I'm learning this language. Yeah, you can tell me. My English is so bad, man, so bad. So this is the reason number one. So I want to fix my speaking ability. And the second thing is next month we are going head to Digha beach. This is not the first time. Last year also I am been there. So but that time I didn't make any videos and any blog about it. So this time I don't want to miss that opportunity. So that's why I started early. Where the sound coming from? Okay, so it's going to be probably in the next month, and I'm going with my four friend. So this is going to be a long bike ride. So I don't want to miss that opportunity to make the whole thing as a documentary. It's going to be fun. So that's why I start again making video about myself. If I start early, then at that time I am familiar with this new language. So this is the second reason I am start again making video. So I try my best to keep continue making this kind of video. Actually the editing process is so time consuming actually. So I couldn't manage my time to edit the video, and this is the reason I am unable to making video. So I am doing some work in my new project. From that I'm manage this time to make this video. So let's go. There is nothing special in this project. If you want to see what I am doing, I can show you. Okay, let's go then. So this is my workspace. Maybe you guys are seeing this before. I'm working on a project right now, which is this one. This is a service based project. Now I'm working in a backend. So let me finish my work, then I will talk about the ride again, and maybe if possible then I will introduce my friends with you. Okay. I finished my work, shut on my computer, and also I shaved my beard. Yeah. Now we can discuss about the ride. Before that, one thing I want to show you, which is my new fog light. And this is it. I install the switch here. Yeah, this is it. This is the deeper, and I switch into the upper mode. Yeah. So I installed this fog light few days ago, and this cost around 600 included the switch. So this kind of fog light is very important for the long ride because my main headlight is not powerful. My previous ride I realized that issue very badly, so that's why I installed this new fog light. So I think it's going to be very helpful for the long ride. So this ride's going to be almost 300 plus kilometer. This is the route. We start from here and the journey ends here. And also I have to service my bike before the ride. Maybe also I have to change the engine oil, but I'm not sure. I have to check how many kilometers I have after the last engine oil change. So let's end the video here. I'm not sure how the video going till now. Maybe you can manage that. So bye.